Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to block someone only on Messenger but not on Facebook. To do that, you need to do this process from Messenger application. So tap open the Messenger app. Once you're at the Messenger app page, you need to tap open a conversation or the person profile that you want to block. Tap open that profile name. Once you're at the chat conversation piece, you tap on the eye icon on the top right corner, tap that. And here you will have the option of block inside privacy and support. You tap on block. In Messenger, you have two options, that is blocking on Messenger, block on Facebook. So here, to block on Messenger, you just tap on the top option on the minus icon, block Noel. Here you tap on block. Once you do that, you will only be blocking this person on Messenger and not in Facebook. You can still access this person in your Facebook account with the likes, tag, comment. But in Messenger, this person will no longer be able to send you text, call you anymore. You won't receive anything that may have been sent during the blocked time. So this is how you can block someone only on Messenger but not on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.